Tia Ray, your marketing director here at The Alliance with your weekly update. The moment we have all been waiting for. Well, if you're a PC member, that is. The new President's Club websites will launch this week. Sales, recruiting, all in one. It's going to be awesome. Also new this week, we have created a closed Facebook group so you can stay up to date with contests, leaderboards, meetings, you name it, it's on there. Go check it out. And last but not least, Forrester's has done it again. They have created another contest and you can win up to $100 in Amazon gift cards. That's all for this week. Catch you next week. Last week, I challenged you, or you challenged me, to a push-up challenge. I said if you subscribe to this button, I will do 5 push-ups per subscriber. But I came to work in a dress today, so next week, double or nothing. Go subscribe.